This afternoon at Blueprint Autos, sun is shining, stunning day, stunning car to view. We have this 2015 151 Toyota Corolla 1.4 diesel Aura spec. Absolutely immaculate car. Credit to its previous owner. It's a 151 RN reg, and as it is the Aura spec, it has the alloys, daytime running lights, aircon and Bluetooth built in, along with centre armrest. Absolutely spotless car, stunning example. 104,000 kilometres approximately on it. Full Toyota service history, just the one owner from new, local owner. Beautiful colour. Condition as well inside, completely spotless. Fitted mats. We have multifunction steering wheel, stereo, aircon, Bluetooth, loads of space, low road tax, Toyota's legendary reliability, and it is super economical. For more information, contact myself, Finian, on 086 316 9029. Finance available. Looking forward to hearing from you.